Hey, welcome to my Massey shop. I have a treat for you. This is a rolling stand that can be adjusted up and down. It's made by Trend. Trend is more known for diamond stones for sharpening. They make very high quality diamond stones. I have one right here. Whoa, it's bright. Anyways, just let me move. This is it right here. Has a very smooth roller. So if you're like me that has a mitre on, doesn't want one of those big cumbersome stands and is constantly piling up little pieces of wood to get to the right height of wherever you are, this guy goes. It's adjustable from 2 inches is a minimum, and 6 and 5/16 of an inch is the maximum height. It's very well made, nice and flat, very smooth, and it has springs on each end. Anyways, short video. I bought this from Amazon. It is $100, but it's very well made, very good quality, and I think is worth the money. Anywho, see you in the next one.